Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Guys, do you really know that how can we learn fluent English? That how can we speak fluently? How can we feel good, feel confident in this language, in English language? How can we learn good English? How can we learn good and speak fluent English? How can we speak fluent English? So today I will tell you about something that might be you don't know, or might be you know, but you don't know the the importance of that trick. So guys, if you really want to speak fluent English, or you really want to learn something new, if you want to learn something like English language, or like another language, or like subject, any subject, if you want to grab or to learn a subject, if you want to become an expert in any particular subject, any specific subject, then you should start talking about that subject. You should start reading about that subject. You should start discussion after reading that subject. You should start conversation, communication related to that subject. Guys, in this video, or in this channel, or in our channel, which is your channel too, and only purpose is that we want to speak fluent English, we want to learn fluent English. So the method is, you should start talking, you should start speaking, you should start communicating with your friend, with your colleagues, with your family. Friend, learning any language is a skill. That is skill called continuation, consistency. You may call that only a rule, can provide you success. That rule is, or that key is, consistency. If we will speak English every day with our family, with a friend, or mirror talk, or self talk, at least 15 minutes, then you will get to know that you will speak fluent English one day. Friends, if you really want to learn English language, so you should start teaching about English subject. That what is English, what is the definition of conversation. Guys, if you really want to speak fluent English, then you must start teaching. Guys, why I use here must instead of should? I use here must in this sentence because should is should use in general sentence, like we should go somewhere, we should eat burger, or chow mein, or etc. But when we do anything specific thing, when really want anything to do, then we use must instead of should. So friends, if you must must use in obligatory form, foundation form, that we must do that thing. Like we really want to learn English, we want to really become fluent in this language. So we want this thing, we are hunger to learn this language, to become fluent. So here, that is why I used must instead of should. So friends, if you really want to learn English language, if you want to really grab fluency in your pronunciation, then you should start teaching. If you will start teaching that what is English, guys, do you really know about the real definition of fluency? Because because I met a friend in the morning today, and he said that Anuj, I really want to become fluent in English. So how can I become fluent in English? Because Anuj, you are trying very hard to become fluent in this language. So I said, I gave my opinion that if you want to become fluent in this language, then you should start teaching. You should start speaking every day. So I asked I asked him that, do you know the meaning of fluency? What do you understand by fluency, English fluency? Then he told me very silly thing that fluency means I want to speak English in fast language, in fast way. So I laughed at him at that time, that seriously bro, do you understand what are you saying? You are saying that you want to become a fluent speaker, you want to learn fluent English, but you don't know, but you don't understand about that thing, that what is the definition of fluency. Then I told him, which I will really uh, explain you, that fluency doesn't mean fast English, fast talking English, fast communication. Doesn't mean fluency, doesn't mean that. If you really want to understand, want to speak any language with fluency, that means if you if you are communicating, with someone in your in English language, like if you are talking with your friend in English, and you are explaining something to your friend in English language, and your topic, and what you are talking about your friend, what you are explaining your friend, and your friend is understanding your method of teaching, your method of communicating, what you are explaining, your method of explaining your language, that means you are fluent on that language. So fluency doesn't just mean that fast English. Fluency means good English, not so fast, not so slow. Fluency means if you will explain something to somebody, then somebody will understand your language, that what you are explaining to him. Communication fluency means if you are giving speech in any program, then your audience are understanding your language, your speech. So fluency doesn't mean fast English. I hope guys you really understand what I am trying to explain you. And always remember guys, if you really want to speak fluent English, then always speak any random topic. Don't revise any topic, don't learn any topic before speaking, before talking. Random talk, you should start random talk. If you will speak randomly, means if you are talking about any topic without rehearsal, without learning, without preparation, then then you will become fluent speaker if you will talk about any topic without preparation. Means if I am like friend, I am talking in front of you through this video, through this session without preparation, so I am giving a extempore speech. It's called extempore speech. Extempore speech means I am giving a speech, or I am giving, or I am talking, or I am communicating about any topic or random things without preparation. So it's called extempore. So it's called extempore speech. If you will start talking without preparation, if you will start communicating without rehearsal, friend, then it is my opinion, you will learn fluent English so soon, very soon. So I hope friend you got it, that what I am trying to say in this video. If you really want to speak fluent English, then you must start teaching about English or on this subject. If you must start teaching about verb, about sentence, about tenses, about prepositions, about idioms, then you will become good teacher with fluent English soon. So friend, hope this video is helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to the channel. Take care, bye bye, and see you in the next video.